Hello EOS Nation. In this tutorial, we will review how you can modify your EOS account to have multi-signature authorization, or MSIG for short. This multiplies the security and effectively decentralizes the authority of an account. Say one key gets hacked. They don't have access to perform actions on your account with just one account authorization. In being that it's an active key, you can simply change it with your owner key. More on that in our Change Permissions tutorial. First, let's go to blocks.io and look up an account you wish to set up an MSIG on. View the Permissions tab under Chain Data. You'll see that in my sample account, I have an owner and active key. The keys also happen to be the same. Anyone who has access to this active key would also have access to the owner key and effectively have full control over this account. We will now create an MSIG authorization, replacing our active key permission. To do this, we will need to log into this account using the owner key. Once logged in, go ahead and click on the Wallet tab, which will give you access to a list of tools. Under Account, click on Permissions Manager. You'll now be able to modify owner and active permissions. We will be modifying the active permissions. First, remove current active key and change our threshold to at least 2. Now, we will add other accounts, which we will give permission to control this Dave Rex token account. If you choose to, you can still keep your active keys available if you'd like a hybrid MSIG account. The use case for this would be that you'd still have full control of your own account, but let's say in the case you lose your keys and access to this account, you would have delegated other accounts permissions to access and recover your funds via multi-sig authorization. In this example, we are making a pure MSIG account, delegating authority to several other accounts. Once entered, go ahead and double check the associated account names. To the right, you'll notice weights. This is useful to add time as an additional security feature to your account. In the event that your active account gets compromised, although security is now being exponentially increased over a standard account through the element of time, you'd be able to quickly and easily recover and change permissions utilizing your owner key. In this example, I used 3600 seconds, which translates to an hour. As a standard security practice, I would use at least 24 hours or 86,400 seconds. Going back to the threshold, being that I have 4 associated accounts, I will be using a threshold of 3. You can also modify the accounts to have different weights. In a corporate environment or in an upper level manager or CTO may be given a higher decision weight, while a lower level position holder is given standard minimum weights. In this case, I assign a weight of 2 to one of the accounts while the others stay at 1. So we could have an account with a weight of 2 plus an account with a weight of 1, propose and execute an action on 3 accounts of 1. Once you're satisfied with the permission setup, go ahead and save permissions. Now, let's go ahead and look up our account again. Under Chain Data, under Permissions, you'll now see that our active account has 4 associated accounts, 1 with a weight of 2 and 3 with a weight of 1, as well as a threshold of 3. Thank you for joining us today. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below or reach us in Telegram in our EOS Nation channel. Have a great day!